First question, the secondary device in multi-point configuration sends data in response to. The secondary device send the data to the primary station. First, the primary station send a pole to the secondary device. If the secondary device has a data to send, it will send. So it responds to a pole. So here the answer is C. Next question, in sliding window flow control, if the window size is 63, what is the range of sequence number? So 63, this is a window size mean n minus 1, so the sequence number is 64. So we have to represent that 64 as 0 to 63. So here the answer is A. And next question, ARQ stands for, and this ARQ stands for automatic repeat request. Automatic A, repeat R, this request Q. So this is stands for automatic repeat request. So here the answer is B. Next question, which of the following talks is not done by the data link layer? Framing, error control, flow control, all are done in data link layer. But the channel encoding, channel coding, this is done in physical layer. So here the answer is D. Next question, ARQ error management mechanism is provided by the sublayer of data link layer, that is known as logical link control sublayer. So here the answer is A. This is a sublayer of data link layer. This is perform the ARQ error management. When a primary device want to send data to a secondary device, it need to first send a select frame. This is so here the answer is C. This SCL frame represent the data is forthcoming to the secondary device. So the primary device sent a select to that secondary device. So here the answer is C, SEL. This means select. Next question, when the secondary device is ready to send data, it must wait for a pole frame. So here the answer is B. In a peer-to-peer system, when one device wants to send a data to another device, it first send enquiry frame. That means ENQ frame. So first it send the enquiry frame. Here the answer is D. And acknowledgement 3, ACK 3 in sliding window flow control, window size of 7 means that frame dash is next expected by the receiver. So here this is acknowledgement for 3. So it means we can send the data numbered with 3. So the next frame is 3. The data numbered with 3. So here the answer is B. Next question, in stop and wait ARQ, if data 1 has an error, the receiver sends a dash frame. And here in stop and wait, the negative acknowledgement, we are not numbering the negative acknowledgement. We are number the acknowledgement only, ACK only. For negative acknowledgement, there is no numbering. So here the answer is D. Next, in dash ARQ, when a negative acknowledgement is received, all frames sent since the lost frame acknowledged or retransmitted. And here all the frames are sent retransmitted means that is go back and method. In stop and wait method, we check every data. After getting the acknowledgement only, we send the next data. In stop and wait, if error occur in this method, we send the lost data alone. Go back and means when we get the negative acknowledgement, we retransmitted the all data. So select reject, we send only the lost data. So here the answer is go back and B. In dash ARQ, if negative acknowledgement is received, only the specific damaged or lost frame is retransmitted. That means selective and reject. In this method only, we retransmit the specific damaged or lost frame. So here the answer is C.